Welcome to Spring LIB.
Hello. In this question, a mule and a horse were carrying some bales of cloth. Then the so we have two animals, the mule and a horse. Let us denote the number of bales carried was being carried by the mule as X and the number of bales being carried by the horse as Y. And now the mule says to the horse, if you give me two of your bales, then I shall be carrying as many bales as you. Suppose the horse does as the mule says, then the number of bales carried by the mules will be x plus 2, and the number of bales carried by the horse will decrease by 2. And the mule says that in this case, the number of bales, these two numbers will be the same. The number of bales carried by the mule will be same as the number of bales carried by the horse. This implies that, well, so then this implies that this number is equal to this number. So from what the mule said to the horse, we can get this equation between x and y. Now, the horse replies to the mule that if you give me one of your bales, I will be carrying twice as many bales as you are. So, if the mule gives the horse one of his uh, one of its bales, then the number of bales carried by the mule becomes x minus 1, and the number of bales carried by the horse becomes y plus 1. And in this case, the horse is saying that the number of bales carried by him will be twice as many as the number of bales carried by the mule. So this number is twice as many as this number. So we will have the equation that 2 times this number is equal to this number. So this is another equation that we get from what the horse said. Okay, so we have these two equations involving x and y. So we can solve for x and y from these two equations. From the first equation, okay, so the first equation is x plus 2 equal to y minus 2. So we have that this implies that y is equal to x plus 4. The second equation is um, 2 times x minus 1 is equal to y plus 1. But 2 times x minus 1 is 2x minus 2, and this is equal to y plus 1. This implies y, well, this equation implies this thing, and this equation implies that y is equal to 2x minus 2 minus 1. 2x minus 2 minus 1, which is minus 3. So we have got two equations. Y is equal to x plus 4 and y equal to 2x minus 3. Now, which means that x plus 4 is equal to 2x minus 3. So these two equations imply that x plus 4 is equal to 2x minus 3. This implies that this implies if you cancel 1x, we have x in the right hand side, and we have 7 minus 3 goes to the left, and we have 4 plus 3 on the left. This implies that x is equal to 7. But now if x equal to 7, we can use this equation. This implies that y is equal to x plus 4, but x is 7, so x equal to 7 plus 4. And so this implies y equal to 11. So finally we get the solutions that x is equal to, well, we can write so finally we have the value of x and y. X is equal to 7 and y is equal to 11. So we can conclude that the number of bales carried by the mule is equal to 7, and the number of bales carried by the horse is equal to 11. And this concludes the solution to this question. I hope this is useful. Thank you.